Hi there, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie and I am on a packing journey where, sorry for the lighting, I'm just trying to pan around my room here so you get a feel of what's left to pack. It's kind of a disaster, but it's good. It's good. I'm making progress. Yeah, I'm on a packing journey to pack up my craft space, and I'm hoping to get this done in about, I guess, a month and a half. I'm just taking it slow and steady, just packing a couple boxes. Well, my goal is 3 boxes a day on average. Obviously on the weekends I'll do a little more, but I'm up to 32 boxes. So if you watched my last video, I think I cut off a little bit before that. I'm not going to show you every box anymore. I think that's going to get kind of boring. So I think instead we'll just talk about what I hope to get to and then where we go from there. Okay, so this has been on every single video since the start. I want to get rid of this cart, like not get rid of it. I want to pack it up, but I got to get rid of this stuff. Not get rid of it, pack it up. So I ran out of small boxes. I now have small boxes, so I think I can get rid. I think I can pack these items and then maybe dismantle the cart. Okay, but I get sidetracked. I have lots of squirrel moments, so who knows? So ideally, I will get that done. The other thing I would like to work on is back in the closet. I would like to get this cabinet done, or these emptied out, and maybe some of this dealt with would be good. I got little stragglers. I have some 12 by 12 cardstock, so I don't know. We'll see how that goes. Okay, let me get started. Okay, let me give you an update where I am today. This is just all bins, except for my cameo. That's really the only thing left. This is cards and card panels. This is for photos, and then of course decor. And then I've got all my trimmers and miscellaneous tools. This is not all of them. I have a few more on the other side of my desk. We'll talk about that in a minute. This one is empty. This one is empty. This one is empty. This is still full. And this is some mats and some art pieces that I've done over the years. I dabbled in being an artist. I'd love to really actually work on that skill. I don't know if you guys are interested, let me know and I'll share with you some of my forays into art. They're not great, but I can see potential that I could grow if I developed the skill. Okay. This is just storage. I think I've got some needlework and embellishment piece there. Got a little bit of foam. This has to go in my Christmas bin. This has to go in my foil bin. This is just packing supplies. I've got a couple iris bins here that have to go. Then I've got a couple little storage, and then down here are extra supplies that need to go in the appropriate bin. This unit is empty. This unit is empty. And this is everything that's left over from the top of the closet. You'll see everything that was hanging is off. This was all from the top. So that is it on that side of the closet. Let's go look at the other side. Okay, so still a few things left in here, but not too bad. These are all my Christmas cards. I'm not going to pack those away. I'm going to put them in a box that I'm going to take in my car. Again, I don't know how long I'm going to be living in temporary situation, and so I need to have those out in case it extends into Christmas card season. I still have to put that away. These, I think, will fit, each unit will fit in a large Walmart box, so I have to pick up 3 of those, and that'll take care of that. I've got a watercolor tray and an ultra bowl down there, and then up on the top of the cabinet I don't have very much, so I'm really happy about that. Some decor pieces. This is stuff that I want to take with me. That needs to go in a bin of mini albums, which I have elsewhere in my space. This needs to get packed, and then that. And then this cabinet will be done. Obviously, all of this needs to be done. and I have a few items in here that need to be pulled out. I pulled all the other tools out from the other side. I've got these bins, and of course all my stamp bins, although I have emptied quite a few of the extra shelves, which is good. These shelves are almost all clear. What's behind here? We talked about this before. I just need to take the stuff down, and then that's going in the garbage. And then some decor pieces, and then we get into cardstock. Looky, looky, looky. The cart is ready to be disassembled. I just have to pull it out of here and get some tools and then pack that in a box. These are all Dollar Tree, not taking those with me. And then I've got this to pack, and then the cubes under here. I think that's it. Okay, so I'm at 41 boxes. Yeah, I'm at 41 boxes at this point. And let's talk about stuff that I have elsewhere while we look at my desk, because that's a disaster that needs to be packed too. It's probably going to be a miscellaneous box right at the end of it. So in my bedroom, I have two 2x4 Calyx units that are almost entirely full of albums. So I'm going to count that towards my craft room storage. And I also have one more Billy case out in my dining room that has a bunch of mini albums in it. And we're going to count that as well. So like I said, I'm at 41 boxes. That's going to be probably 8 boxes, right? A box for each. Maybe another 8. No, another 4. So let's say 12, 10 to 12 boxes. And then we've got all of this, and then the stamps, I've got 16 cubes. So 12, 16, 28, 32 boxes. Yeah, plus the extras. So we're gonna be close. We're gonna be close to 100, not counting the albums. The albums are probably gonna be another 16. Yeah, I'm guessing it's going to be close to 120 boxes all said and done. So not just what's in this room, but also all my albums and then mini albums, stuff like that. And then we're not even talking storage boxes or boxes of storage containers. Yeah. The other thing I'm not too sure about is this printer and this printer. This one will be easy enough to put in a box. This one is incredibly heavy. It's about 50 pounds. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. I'm taking it with me, but I just don't know how to pack it. I don't know how to pack it. Anyways, that's where we're at. Let me know what your guess is in the description below. We're going to call this it for today. It's probably what I'm going to do for the next little bit because, you know, watching me pack boxes is not very interesting. Anyways, thanks for hanging out with me again, you guys. I can't tell you how much it means knowing that you guys will be watching these videos to keep me going. And until next time, happy crafting, happy organizing, and if you're like me, happy packing.